Hello everyone and welcome back to OnlyOffice. As part of our OnlyOffice 16th anniversary series, we are sharing practical use cases, productivity tips, and powerful features that help people work smarter every day. Today, I would like to show you one of the most important tools for document security inside OnlyOffice PDF editor, the Redact tool. Let's see a few examples. Imagine you are preparing a contract to send to a client. The document contains personal information, phone numbers, email address, financial details, or internal notes that shouldn't be visible outside of your organization. You may think that carrying the information with the black rectangle or changing the text color is enough. However, in many cases, this information can still be recovered. That is why a proper redaction is so important. Redaction doesn't just hide information, it permanently removes sensitive content from the document, helping you protect confidential data and comply with privacy requirements. Let's see how it works in OnlyOffice PDF editor. First, open your PDF file in OnlyOffice Docs, switch to the Edit PDF mode, and then navigate to the Redact tab. From here, you'll find several ways to remove sensitive information depending on the type of document you are working with and how much content needs to be hidden. First option is Mark for Redaction. This is the most precise method, and it's ideal when you only need to remove a few specific pieces of information. Simply select the text you want to redact and choose Mark for Redaction. The selected content will be marked and visually highlighted, allowing you to review all changes before permanently removing anything. This approach works specifically well when reviewing contacts, invoices, reports, or legal documents when only a small amount of information needs to be protected. The second option is Redact pages. Sometimes an entire page contains confidential information. Instead of selecting individual pages of text, you can redact the whole page at once. You can choose to redact the current page or specify a range of pages. This can save significant amount of time when working with large documents. For example, if a PDF includes materials, notes, draft versions, or supporting materials that shouldn't be shared externally, redacting entire pages can be the fastest solution. The third option is the Find and Redact, which is especially useful when working with long documents. Imagine you have 15 pages reports containing customer names, company names, or account numbers, repeated dozens of times throughout the file. Searching for each occurrence manually will take a lot of time. Instead, click Find and Redact, then enter a word or phrase you like to remove, and let OnlyOffice locate every occurrence for you. Once the results appear, you can choose between two actions. You can mark only the current match for redaction using the Mark for Redaction button, or you can use the Mark All, which automatically mark every occurrence found throughout the document. This feature is a huge time saver when handling large PDFs with repeated sensitive information. To make your search even more accurate, you can use additional options available throughout simple checkboxes. For example, enabling case sensitive allows OnlyOffice to distinguish between uppercase and lowercase letters. This can be useful when similar words appear in different formats. You can also enable whole words only, which ensures that OnlyOffice search only the exact word matches instead of partial matches within large documents. This option helps you to achieve more precise results and reduce chance of accidentally redacting content that shouldn't remain visible. After making all the information you want to remove, you still have an opportunity to review the document. If necessary, you can customize the appearance of redacted areas before applying the changes. Simply select the tool from the top toolbar, click a marked redaction area, and use the pop-up menu to adjust the color. This can be useful when reviewing documents internally, following specific company guidelines for document presentation. However, it's important to remember that at this stage, the information only has been marked for redaction. It has not yet been permanently removed. And that brings us to the final and most important step. Once you have reviewed everything and you are satisfied with the results, click on the Apply Redaction. This action permanently removes the selected information from the PDF, ensuring that the hidden content cannot be recovered later. This is what makes true PDF redaction different from simply converting text with shapes or annotations. After applying the redaction, the sensitive information is gone from the document, helping you to share files confidentially and securely. And that's it. With ONLYOFFICE PDF Editor, redacting sensitive information is straightforward, efficient, and secure, whether you are preparing contracts, reports, financial documents, legal paperwork, or any file containing confidential data. The redact feature helps ensure that private information stays private. As we celebrate 16 years of ONLYOFFICE, we are proud to continue developing tools that help individuals, teams, and organizations create, collaborate, and work with confidence. Thank you for watching, and don't forget, if you like to learn more about ONLYOFFICE features, workflow, and productivity best practices, feel free to contact ONLYOFFICE Academy at training@onlyoffice.com. Our team will be happy to help you to find trainings program that best matches your goals and help you get even more from your ONLYOFFICE experience. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next one.